Fake a hand-drawn underlined sentence. Wait. Fake what? Is this like that Harry Met Sally thing? Okay, no. Ever seen a page that has that really cool underlined looking sentence? It looks cool because the underline isn't straight. It's kind of slightly warped. One way to recreate this look is using a font. Let me show you how. First, load the font to your computer system and open your editor and get your font ready. In this case, I'm using Wild Spirit Extras, found linked underneath this video. You'll also want to have the journaling text that you want to use ready to go. Next, select the horizontal type tool and then type the letter that you want to use. Now I'm using the letter that's associated with E in the Wild Spirit Extras. I think it's E. I'm going to click the check box to commit my text here. And then I'm going to use the transform tools, Command T on the Mac or Control T on the PC. And in Photoshop, I'm going to hold down the Shift key to increase the size of my line. If you're using Photoshop Elements, you do not need to hold the Shift key. And I'm going to drag it into place so that it fits comfortably from edge to edge under one of my lines in my journaling. Now, I'm not going to commit the change just yet because here's the key. Collapse the line or smush it. Just flatten the vertical part until it looks more like a line that's been hand drawn rather than this humongous thing that it started off as. Once it's flattened, hit the Enter key or the checkbox to commit the change. Then you can use the Move tool to slide it in position. Sometimes I find that I have to reduce the opacity just a smidge, so it kind of matches the color quality of whatever journaling it's underneath. In my final example here, I've used a variety of different lines to make it look like I've hand-drawn or faked underlining my sentence with pencil. And that's it.